Right, so the next layer moving forward, you've got this layer with kind of the thing sitting on top of the background, the cloud, the sun, the clouds and the sun. I can start drawing the clouds. A couple of ways to do it. I could use the circle tool and just start making some circles that are filled in white. And I could copy and paste. And I could make them different sizes. And then I could join them together. Okay, so let's say that's a cloud, kind of a funky looking cloud. Put one more little circle up there. Okay, so I've got a cloud there. So I can unite all of these shapes. I'm going to hold the shift key and select all of them. Okay, and with my Pathfinder, I am going to click the little unite. Okay, so I could make some clouds like that, and I could make copies. I could reflect them. I could make some smaller. And then I'm going to show you another way. You could take your pen tool, just like we've been practicing, click, hold, and drag to make new curves. To end the curve, you just click on the anchor point. So you make some clouds that are a little bit more unique. Okay, so you make a cloud. Okay. Another way is just to kind of make your clouds look a little bit longer and wispier. So maybe just using the pen tool to kind of create some wispy clouds. If you want your clouds to be a little bit more. Okay, so we've got some clouds that are like a little bit more wispy looking. Okay, so you kind of decide what you want your clouds to look like and then you draw them. Okay, I'm just going to stick with this. I'm going to make a couple and I'm going to go to Object, Arrange, Transform, Reflect. We're going to reflect it on the vertical axis. I'm going to make a couple of those. I'm going to make one smaller, kind of overlap them. Okay, so we've got our clouds. Now we need to draw the sun. So if we look at this, we've got basically a circle here and another circle out here that we're going to kind of change the edges of. So I'm going to make the first circle behind it, and I'm going to fill it with orange. And then I'm going to make a second circle, just copy and paste. And I want to make that one kind of a yellow color. It actually has a slight gradient to it, okay? So I could do it from yellow to light orange if I wanted to. So I could pull up the gradient. Too many palettes here. I'm going to pull out the red, pull out that one, pull out that one, and then I'm going to take my gradient tool and I'm just going to just blend it. I think it goes the other way actually. I'm just going to blend it. Okay. And then with the outer circle, and actually there's a tool before I do the outer circle, there's a tool in Pathfinder that is going to, wait, not in Pathfinder, I'm sorry, across the top here where you can center your objects vertically and horizontally so that you know that they're centered one on top of the other. And then I'm going to go around and I'm going to add some anchor points. So I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. I'm going to center them again. Center, center. I'm going to add some anchor points to the outer circle. So, oops, I can see that a circle is made up of 4 anchor points, and I'm going to add 2 in between each quarter circle. Oops, you got to click right on the path where you've got the little plus sign on your pen tool. There are probably lots and lots of ways that we could make a sun. Okay, but this is just one way. So now we have a circle with extra anchor points. Let's go to effects and we are going to distort it. There's all kinds of effects you can use. This one will, we will use the pucker and bloat. So we want to kind of pucker it so that it puckers at all those anchor points. So it kind of creates a fun sun. Okay, you can control how puckered you want it to be. If you went bloat, it would go the other way. Okay. So we can say okay. So there we've got a nice sun. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do the next couple layers, the hill, the road, the trees.